I was observing a barn owl family on the sixth floor near a water tank in my neighborhood. It was fun watching their activities from my neighbor's window. Early morning at 6 o'clock, mother took juveniles to 7th floor and from there started training them to jump and land at a particular place. They were very hesitant since it was their first glide. They were supposed to land on a narrow patch in front of their nest. One of them misjudged and landed on a neem tree almost on the 5th floor. He took off to go to the 6th floor but couldn't make it and just grabbed the concrete grill. There he tried very hard but there was no forward passage. Finally he got tired and gave up his efforts and fell down. I took circle of 2-3 societies and found this fellow on a very busy main road. Somehow grabbed him and tried to put him on the same nest floor again. He escaped my grip and somehow managed to fly to the nearby tree, happy that he united with his family. It seems that after 4 days another one fell down and came to my garden. He injured his leg and wing due to fall. Soon jungle babblers started mobbing. Grabbed him and handed over to government rescue center at Seminole Hills, Nagpur with the help of Dr. Patil.